If you've ever recorded something in Audacity and wondered how to send it by email without running into file size problems, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to export your Audacity project into a format that's easy to email, how to check the file size, and how to attach and send it the right way. This is especially helpful if you're sending voice recordings, podcasts, interviews, or any audio project to a client, class, or collaborator. And if you want more simple software tutorials like this, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos just like it. Alright, let's jump into it. First, you do not want to email the raw Audacity project file if you can avoid it. Instead, you want to export the audio into a playable format that's much smaller and easier to send. To do that, open Audacity and click the File menu at the top. From there, hover over Export Audio. This opens the export options. When you see the format choices, select MP3 as the file format. The reason MP3 is the best choice here is simple. It's much smaller than a WAV file, and smaller files are far more likely to fit within email attachment limits. Most email services have restrictions, so reducing the file size is the smartest move before you attach anything. After choosing MP3, look for the bitrate mode dropdown. Click it and select Variable. This helps balance quality and file size more efficiently. Then go to the quality dropdown and choose 2, which is usually listed as 170 to 210 kilobits per second. That setting gives you a good quality audio file while still keeping the size manageable for email. Once those settings are ready, type in a clear file name so you can easily find it later. Then click Export. Audacity will process the file and save it to your computer in MP3 format. Now that your file is exported, the next step is to check the file size. This is really important because most email providers like Gmail and Outlook block attachments larger than 25 megabytes, so even though your audio may sound great, it still needs to stay under the limit. Find the exported MP3 file on your computer. On Windows, right-click the file and choose Properties. On a Mac, right-click it and choose Get Info. Look at the file size and make sure it's under 25 megabytes. If it's too large, you may need to export again with a lower quality setting, shorten the audio, or use a file sharing link instead of an attachment. But in many cases, the MP3 export with the settings we just used will keep the file small enough to email successfully. Once you've confirmed the file size is good, you're ready to attach and send it. Open your email provider, whether that's Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or another service. Click Compose to start a new email. Then look for the paperclip icon, which is the Attach Files button. Click it and browse to the MP3 file you just exported from Audacity. Select the file and wait for the upload to finish. Don't rush this part, because if you click send before the upload is complete, the attachment may not go through properly. Once the file is fully uploaded, you can add the recipient, write your subject line, include a quick message, and then click send. And that's it. You've now taken an Audacity file, exported it in a smaller playable format, checked that it meets email size limits, and attached it correctly to send by email. This is a simple process once you know the steps, and it can save you a lot of time and frustration. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more easy how-to guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.